In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for Mailerlite affiliate program and get accepted step by step. To begin, open your web browser and visit the official Mailerlite affiliate program page. Make sure you are on the correct Mailerlite website before you continue. This is important because affiliate programs should always be accessed through the official company page, not through random third-party links. Once the page loads, take a moment to read through the main details of the program. You may see information about how the affiliate program works, what kind of commissions are offered, and what Mailerlite expects from its partners. After you have reviewed the page, look for the button that says Join the Program. This button is usually placed clearly on the affiliate program page, often near the top or in a section explaining how to apply. Click the Join the Program button to begin the application process. This will take you to the application form, where Mailerlite collects the details they need to review your request. Now you will need to fill out the application form with accurate details, enter the required information carefully, and make sure everything you provide is correct and up to date. If the form asks for basic contact details, business information, website information, or details about your online presence, complete each field honestly. Avoid using placeholder text or vague answers, because this can make your application look incomplete. The goal is to show Mailerlite that you are a real person or business with a clear way to promote their product. As you move through the form, pay close attention to the section called Promotional Methods. This part is especially important because it helps Mailerlite understand how you plan to promote their service. Be specific about the platform or platforms you use. For example, you can explain whether you create blog content, publish videos, run a newsletter, manage a website, or share educational content with an audience. Keep the explanation clear and professional. You do not need to overcomplicate it, but you should give enough detail so the review team understands your promotional strategy. In this section, also describe your audience in a simple and accurate way. Mention the type of people you reach, such as small business owners, creators, marketers, online entrepreneurs, or people interested in email marketing tools. If your platform focuses on tutorials, software reviews, business tools, or digital marketing education, explain that clearly. This information matters because Mailerlite wants to know whether your audience is a good match for their product. A clear description can help strengthen your application and make the review process easier for their team. Once you have completed all required fields, review the application before submitting it. Check that your information is accurate, your promotional methods are clearly explained, and there are no missing required sections. This quick review can help you avoid simple mistakes that might delay the approval process. When everything looks correct, submit the application. After submitting your application, the next part is waiting for the manual review process. Mailerlite reviews affiliate applications manually, so approval is not always instant. The review can take up to 10 business days. During this time, the team will look over the information you provided and decide whether your profile is a good fit for the affiliate program. Be patient while your application is being reviewed, and avoid submitting multiple applications unless you are instructed to do so. If your application is approved, you will be able to log in to the Partner Portal. The Partner Portal is where you can access your affiliate tools and retrieve your unique affiliate link. This link is what you will use when promoting Mailerlite because it tracks referrals connected to your account. Once you have your affiliate link, keep it organized and use it only in the places that match the promotional methods you described in your application. And that is all there is to it. You have now learned how to sign up for the Mailerlite affiliate program, complete the application properly, wait for the review, and access your affiliate link after approval.